It's Accountech Bytes, bringing you the latest from the world of accounting technology with me, Tom Herbert, recording today live on the show floor at the Festival of Accounting and Bookkeeping. Just because I'm on location doesn't mean the accounting technology news stops. In fact, I've got a couple of scoops from the show floor right here. So let's get straight into it. Let's start then with news that payments platform Apron has announced a dedicated expense product FinTech believes will close the gap between bookkeeping and payments for its customers. So Apron Card is going to be issued as standard as part of Apron's three pricing tiers. It's going to be available via virtual card to its users. I think there's a one-off charge for a physical card, but it sort of links to the Apron system and allows the data to be sluiced in a bookkeeping native way. Another piece of news from the show floor, and Swedish payments and cash flow vendor Mimo has announced that it's raised $8.5 million of new investment. It's also launched an invoice capture tool capable of automating the document chasing process. Mimo Fetch works in a similar way to some of the optical character recognition softwares you know and love, so capturing the documentation and pushing it into the platform for coding. However, it also solves what its co-founder Henrik Krim calls the next problem. It automates document collection for missing documentation, helps those accounting professionals in the hunt for missing invoices or receipts. So offers a dashboard where users can see what's outstanding and it automates that chasing for you. A bit more Mimo news, and they've announced an integration with Free Agent. So Free Agent's still on the integration beat here. So as laid out on the Free Agent site, you can connect Mimo to Free Agent to get yourself one tool to manage payments, cash flow, and financing. Let's go to the MTD beat now. Obviously, the topic du jour for the day, and a big hello to the HMRC team who are down here. So, desktop accounting stalwart VT Software has confirmed that it's going to add quarterly update submission functionality for income tax digital for income tax at no additional cost to customers. In line with its scope, they will not be providing final declaration software, so you'll need tax filing software to do that. A bit of partnership news now, and One Advanced has announced a partnership with Mondial for global financial reporting and consolidations. Let's go to the New Zealand Herald now to round off the news section. And Health New Zealand was apparently using a single Excel spreadsheet to track $28 billion. That's not a Citigroup typo. Of public money. An independent report by Deloitte, published on Health New Zealand's website, found that significant reliance on a single Excel file was a major issue for the agency responsible for managing taxpayer dollars. So I may be at FAB now, but there is still time to come. It's Wednesday now. If you're thinking about coming on the Thursday, tomorrow as I release this, and please come and sign up at fab.uk. There's plenty to do on day two. Fab.uk for your tickets. Some new stuff now, and a big announcement from BGL Corporate Solutions. They've announced that its CAS 360 product is available for sale in the UK. So this is company secretarial and anti-money laundering software. It's the fifth country where the CAS 360 product is live. They're here at the Festival of Accounting and Bookkeeping, so do come down and check them out. This story on pumments.com is all about Digits. So Digits is introducing a new abbreviation into our lives, AGL. So artificial intelligence driven autonomous general ledger software. So seeking to replace accountants and bookkeepers with its software. This is launched after 5 years of development and has also brought on board Craig Walker, co-founder and former CTO of Xero, to its leadership team. It was mentioned on stage earlier by John Toon in one of our sessions about the future of accounting, and is certainly one to watch. What's next? Well, last week I featured practice management tool Engager and their agent authorization testing. Well, a quick update on that. Johan Gori, member of the founding team, has shared some information about their first agent authorization code. So in the future, not only will users be able to request that 64.8 agent authorization code to be posted, but you'll also be able to enter it into Engager when the client sends it to you. onto the insight and analysis section. And since releasing the last video, I appeared on our No Accounting for Taste podcast, where I was talking about all things event season and making tax digital. And Jess Brindle of Jessica and Morton also joined us to talk about the changing role of finance leaders. Now, last week I talked about the QuickBooks Get Connected conference, and our very own Jake Smith follows that up with a piece on its advanced tool. At the conference last week, they announced a few updates to that, but essentially it is a sort of tool for those slightly larger businesses who've outgrown basic accounting software but aren't quite ready for those complex ERP systems. So Jake and a member of the QuickBooks team to do that in a video. Last but not least, let's head over to accountingdisruptor.com, which offers to generate AI accounting app ideas for free. So, did you take one accounting class in college? Have you used ChatGPT a few times? You're ready to disrupt a $20 billion industry. Let's see what we can do here. We go materiality. So this is AI agents specialized in finding items forgotten on the balance sheet and writing them off. Yeah. This is obviously a Mickey taking site. More of these, please. That's it for today. I'll be back next week from the kitchen table with more news from the world of accounting technology. Until then, bye for now.